Hey everyone, I'm back with another video to show you how I quickly and easily detangle my hair during wash day. So as you guys can see, my hair is a tangled mess and I must do this in order to fully detangle my hair to prevent excessive shedding and unnecessary breakage during my detangling process. So what you'll need during this process is a conditioner that has a lot of slip, and I'm going to recommend the one that I'm using in this video, which is the Apple and Aloe collection from Taliah Waajid, and this is their deep conditioner. Okay, so let's jump right into the steps. Feel free to follow along with me as you do this process on your wash day. So the first step I do is make sure my hair is saturated with water and sectioned into 4 sections. Then I like to create smaller sections, which are subsections, and I rake the product through wet hair and then smooth as I go. Then I go in and do the shingling method, which allows my curls to fall kind of naturally while the product itself is loosening them. The conditioner really loosens up any buildup or knots that are in your hair and allowing you to finger detangle properly before you go in with any styling tools. That is really the key to my detangling process, which allows me to detangle so much faster than before. So after I do the finger detangling, I go in with my tangle teaser or a detangler brush. Okay, so of course this video is sped up, but I really take my time with my detangler brush in order to prevent any unnecessary shedding of my hair after I have the finger detangled. After doing that one section, you can really see how much more defined my curls became and also how easy it was for the detangler brush just to glide right through. Y'all, I'm telling you, you can see how tangled my hair becomes sometimes because of my curl pattern. Like if your hair is close or similar to mine, you need this video. You need these tips. For each section, I'm going to be following the same exact steps. So number 1, I'm going to be making sure my hair is saturated with water. Number 2, I'm going to smooth and rake through my hair with a conditioner that has lots of slip. Then number 3, I'm going to be going in, shingling my hair and also finger detangling. And number 4, I'm going to be going in with my styling tool or my detangler brush to further remove any tangles without any excessive shedding. Again, this is my before and why I must do this process in order to have super moisturized and detangled hair in order to prevent any shedding or excessive tangling. This is the end of this video, and this is the last step that I do. I just throw on a shower cap in order to seal in and lock in all of that moisture into my hair. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and also hit the notification bell to know when I upload a new video.